emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass and do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash and nigga, you know I want it. But my
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brii motherfucking Chanel. Hello. Okay, so in this video in today's video I'm gonna be doing a day in my life, whatever. I feel like I've done so many vlogs and I never done this one. You know, I was looking through my videos. I was like, what should I film? And I was like, oh, you know, I've done a day in the life of a Chick-fil-A worker, Sweet Green, but not day in the life as Brii. So that's what we're going to do today. Without further ado, I'm gonna stop chit-chatting. I'm about to eat my breakfast because it's like 11 something right now. And I'm a bit hungry. Ooh, excuse me. So I'm about to make my breakfast, charge my phone, and look through my emails. I sound like an old lady, but it is what it is. Without further ado, you know, let's get into the video. So I'm currently getting ready right now. Me and my sister are going to take Zayden to the barber shop so you get a haircut. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the gym today just because it's raining, but I probably will, like, later after finish doing all of this stuff. So y'all gonna come along with me. Yeah, so let me finish getting ready before she kills me, and I'll see you guys later. So we're currently outside. She's right here, and my sister forgot her phone at my house, so she's gonna go back. She ran back to go get it. We're not even that far from my house, so yeah. So we're just waiting here patiently. Sister, if you see this, please don't forget your phone again, because we're in the rain. You can't stop the rain. Look at the lemon pepper steppers.
where you go?
So, you know, the bottle probably
Esa vieja, ¿por qué esa vieja no fue un deportivo consciente?
Ahora estoy con
¿Por qué te viene?
tú sabes, cosas que le vienen a uno.
Vamos, se la pasa.
Y yo me voy a ir a personal. Tiene que poner unos muñequitos ahí en la...
Ese está portando bien, déjenmelo tranquilo.
Se está mirando así, poniéndole la mano, no sabe, y le está...
Claro, ese está portando bien.
desde las 3:50 tratando de conjuntarse.
¿De la 350?
Porque Hugo quería 30 pesos aquí en mi casa y yo, la madre de ellos va a dar eso. Un abuso. Deja eso. Can I even see him? He's over right there. Let me see. Right there. Boop, 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 boop. So I'm in my sister's house.
Scary!
Doesn't he look so cute? You look so cute, Papa. You want to play dinosaurs? No. Alright. Staying, guys. But anyways, yes, I'm in my hermana's casa. So I'm gonna just stay here until like I feel like going home. So if you guys did enjoy this video, thank you so much for watching, tuning in. And I forgot my bomb ass intro. Hello, my name is Brii motherfucking Chanel. Welcome to the Chanel room. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. Please enjoy your stay because you're gonna love it here. And if you're a returning subscriber,
No.
if you are a returning subscriber, hello. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I'm so glad you enjoyed your stay at the Chanel room. But that was my intro because I forgot to say it this morning. But, you know, this is my outro now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the love you give me. Thank you for everything. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I always say that in one of my videos. But for real, I'm going to try to upload all this week because I have nothing else to do. So, bye.